Would you like more joy in your life? One of the greatest ways to experience joy is to experience it directly. We all want joy, but we try to do it through the outer thing. I want this to make me happy. If I have that, that'll make me feel good. Yes, they will, but they're reflections of true joy. True joy is at the center of our being. And one way to learn to access that joy is by learning to quiet the mind and open the heart through experiencing the silence, or what's also called meditation. I know, I've been teaching meditation for many years, 30 years probably, to hundreds of people. And you know what I've learned? A lot of people have heard about meditation. A lot of people believe in meditation, but when you find out, they don't practice it. Why? I don't know, because they don't know the real benefits of meditation. Please join me for today's message. You're going to learn the benefits of meditation, and you're going to learn how to do it in a simple and powerful way. I'll see you then.